morning, good afternoon, everybody. Sergio with the RideShare Guy. I am in LA, going to do some trips after I did the Waymo experiment, which I hope you guys enjoyed. So I'm gonna try to pay for the trip going home now, because Waymo is only in a geofenced area. So you guys will see I have both apps on, Uber and Lyft. It's a busy part of town, so hoping to get a trip going towards the valley. I definitely like rideshare because of this, right? You can get paid to go home. Definitely not that one. So a little bit of business, please. I mean, the trip radar, $3, $4, no sir. Please sign up to our newsletter free at therideshareguy.com. Where is this going? This is going Thousand Oaks. Oh no, for all those miles for that? No, I don't think so. Sign up to our newsletter at therideshareguy.com. Join us every Tuesday. Show Me the Money Club, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern, the most popular rideshare live stream on our YouTube channel. And sign up to the Solo app. I have it. Do you know your matrix? Are you making 2 or 3 more times than the average driver in your city? We will talk about it. Solo will help you to keep track of your miles, will help you to do your taxes, and it will also offer you earnings guarantees in many cities. So if you don't make enough money, Solo will make it up. So link is in the show notes. Please check it out. So I'm just going to wait and let this thing run a little bit and show you guys some of the sample trips I'm getting. For some reason, I'm not getting any trips on Lyft yet, but we'll see. Maybe they're throttling me for declining so many. So there we are. I'm definitely in a busy part of town, about noon in Mid-City, LA, next to the Beverly Center. And I'm just going to let it run. And you guys watch the app and see what kind of offers I get for what. That Thousand Oaks one. 1 hour and 7 minutes for $33 for 41 miles. So where are we in this world? If it was towards the valley, I would have taken it. But what is that? That's like 80 cents a mile, right? Yeah, I don't want to do that. So both apps are kind of gotten quiet now. Initially, it was ping after ping. Yeah, we're gonna wait. Oh, there is a trip radar. Most of the orders are on trip radar these days. 16 minutes for $5. Okay, so $20 an hour. No, thank you. Trip radar is trip radar. I mean, everything is on trip radar. $4, $3. How can we make a living with these? And look how fast they get snapped up, right? And they ping me with it. No thanks. I'm not going to take those. I want to hit a bullseye, or try to hit a bullseye. Yeah. So please watch the Waymo video. That was interesting, man. Yeah, it was a lot more expensive, actually, than, not a lot, but about 15% more expensive. And it wouldn't pick me up at the right spot, and it wouldn't pick me up or drop me off where I wanted to, just like we're used to in Ubers, right? I had to walk like 4 minutes to pick up, and 3 minutes or 4 minutes after the drop-off. Well, the whole trip was 8 minutes. I mean, the whole actual trip itself was 8 minutes. Then I had to wait 17, 18 minutes for the car to show up. And it was more expensive than Uber and Lyft. Okay? I mean, why? Here's an airport trip. 45 minutes for $16. Why? What is happening here? And here's Lyft, 308. Yeah, we're down to these threes now. No, thank you, Lyft. I appreciate it. Yeah, Ooh, what is this one? Rider Finder? That's an interesting thing. We're looking for more rides. Check back later to see new requests. No, thanks. I'm not even sure what that is. Rider Finder. I haven't seen that one before. Scheduled rides. Yeah, schedule rides, garbage, nothing, just one. Because I'm not elite, they won't show me the good ones. I'm just gonna let the app run, and for a few more minutes. Okay, another garbage offer. I mean, how are we supposed to do this, Uber and Lyft? 375, 450 rated passenger. Are you guys kidding me? Come on, man. Come on. It's out of control. 375 before expenses. What is happening? I mean, I would do that if I had a Quest or something, right? You know. But I don't have Quest. I haven't seen a Quest. I haven't seen a ride challenge. Why would anybody in their right mind do a $3 trip or $3.75 trip? There's 12. Oh, they changed that one. Swipe or decline to see the next request. Okay, swipe. Swipe. Oh, there it is. That's how you do it. No, that's no good. That's no good either. Going the wrong direction. Okay. And Uber X Share, $3.73 for 15 minutes. Wow. Come on now. Are we kidding here? Yeah. So, yeah, no, there's more trip radar. 20 minutes for $7. So, there's 3 20 minutes as far as I know. And if I do 3 continuous, one of those is 21. You know where 21 is, guys? It's exactly, the trips are getting priced exactly at Prop 22. There's another $3 one. 10 minutes for $3. What is happening here? This irritates me every time I turn the app on these days, man. What are those good old days? And you guys can see, Lyft is quiet, right? Yeah, Uber has the market, I guess, at the moment. And, yeah, that's where we are. So, I will do an update, post an update on this, guys, for you, if I ended up going home and getting paid and paying for me for those 2 $10 Waymo trips. Spend $20. Harry, I want my $20. It wasn't worth it. Come on now. But it was good content, though. I took one for the team. So anyway, join us every Tuesday. Show Me the Money Club, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern. And most importantly, people, please be healthy and stay safe out there. Up, one for the road. 20 minutes for $5. What is that? That's $15 an hour before expenses? No, thank you. Have a good one.